Wow, same ball. Jersey number 27, fake, attacking the basket. There's a whistle. The jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 91. Can to shoot. 3-point fires. 3 points. 46-47.
46-47. 1.35.
Now jersey number 6, dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 18. Back to jersey number 6, long 3 points. No good, rebounded number 29. Pass to jersey number 27. Now jersey number 27, dribbling the ball, pass to 26.
Lumban.
To jersey number 21, to 26. Nice play! Foul lang. Jersey number 20, dribbling the ball, pass to 18, kick out to 6, 3
Oras.
points.
3 points. By Oras.
3 points. 50-46, balik sa apat.
50-46. Apat ang
Now
base.
jersey number 29, Ispino. Ball deflected, ball.
One by Mala.
Foul, jersey number 2.
48-49. Bonus shot. 3-point play by Malan.
O 49, 50 sa
49-50.
namanse. Substitution. Pass to jersey number 6, another 3-point, no good. Out of bounds. Jersey 91, dribbling the ball. Pass to 21. Now screen by jersey number 10. To jersey 91, to 26, 3 points. Kabus! Moving by jersey number 18, pass break. Taway, yeah, 2 points.
By
O
Oras.
52-49.
Tatlong
7 minutes and 20 remaining time. Now jersey 91, dribbling the ball, angas by jersey number 18. Jersey number, pass to 21, 3 points, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 2, last 7 minutes. Jersey number 18, pull out jumper, 2 points,
Kay Messias.
54.
54-49. Timeout. Taytay.
Time out, tie, zone 2. Now jersey number 21, dribbling the ball, screen by jersey number 10. Man-to-man defense. Now jersey number 91, harassed by 18. Foul.
Paano?
First free throw.
Last throw.
Wala yun ang duwa. Now jersey number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to 20. 3 points, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 10. Pass to 21. Now jersey number 21, dribbling the ball.
Leo Campo.
Jersey number 21. Teardrop, no good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Pass to 18. Jersey number 18, attacking the basket, there's a whistle. Pull up jumper, bang, 2 points.
2 points.
56-49.
56-49. Pito.
Now jersey number 10, pass to 21. Jersey number 18, long 3 points, no good. Rebound taken by 11. 10 to shoot. Steal by jersey number 18, jersey number 18. Foul, basket, foul. What a shot, no good. Last 5 minutes. Now jersey number 21, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 18. To 29. Pass to 11. Foul.
Lashes. First throw.
Why did us go? Ang nasulot naman isa.
50.
Walo. Jersey number 18. Dribbling the ball. Screen by 2 and 13. Pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Back to 18. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 18. 3-point fires. No good. Rebounding it by 21. Pass to jersey 91. Now jersey 91 goes to out. Layup. Wala kang sulod. Aray ko. Wala kang sinulod. Jersey number 18. Atake na basket.
Basket and one. MVP mode si Kakak.
Apollo.
60-50.
Last 4 minutes. Now jersey 91. Dribbling the ball. Screen by 29. Pass to jersey number 21 to 11.
The last shot.
Back to 91, 10 to shoot. 3-point fires, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 18. Now jersey number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6. Back to 6, 3-point fires, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 2, Lapao. Out of bounds. Last 3 minutes and 15. Now jersey 91, dribbling the ball. 3-point fires.
By Ano.
3 points. Last 3 minutes.
60-53.
60-53. Tabok suba. Now jersey number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6. Deflected, 10 to shoot. Jersey number 18. Attack number 5 to shoot. 10 drop, no good. Rebound by 18. Foul. Wala nitang gawa. Now jersey number 91. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 21 in the middle. There is a whistle. Foul. Committed. 21. Harassed by 18. There is a whistle. Wala nito.
One
Isa lang.
of 2:54, 60.
54-60.
Last
2 minutes and 10.
10.
Now jersey number 18. Dribbling the ball. And last 2 minutes. 10 to shoot. 3-point pass block. Rebound by 29. Pass break to 91. Now jersey number 91. Play ball. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound by 21.
Ayan, for 2. 56-60. Time out. Tabok sa back.
60. Delivering the ball. 1 minute and 14. Jersey number 8.
Anya.
Pass to jersey number 7. 10 to shoot.
The Messias. 10 to shoot.
5 to shoot. 3 points.
Points by Messias. Night. 63-56. Pito ang abanse.
1 minute and 15. Nagsulot ni Beatrice. To shoot. There's a whistle. Last 1 minute. To shoot. Last 15 seconds. 5 to shoot. Offensive foul. Jersey number 13 seconds. Jersey number 91. Dribbling the ball. 14 seconds. Follow up 2 points, 29 seconds.
58-63.
personal foul, penalty. Foul jersey number 11, that is your second personal foul. Tabok suba.
First throw. Oh, good. 1 out of 2. Time out.
Time out.
58.
Time
64.
15 seconds, 3 points to Iva Bus. Of the glass, 11 seconds, 11.
64. 11 seconds.
10.
Yeah.
Karay ko, taway. 2 points.
66.
Control si
60.
Bus.
End of the ball game. 66, 60, 1. Winner. Team Tabok Suba.
Oh, congratulations both teams. Winner, Tabok Suba. Oh, second game.